Today we're going to talk about Zoom, and in particular, how to share your screen while you are in a Zoom meeting. Share it so that everyone who's at that Zoom meeting will see what's on your screen, including you. So, to do that, I'm going to show you first how to start Zoom, and then how to share your screen. So to start Zoom, I go to my Start menu, I scroll down to the Z's. I have one Z, which is Zoom. When I click that, I get the actual program to start, and when I click that, Zoom begins. And because I have signed in previously to just my personal meeting Zoom program, I have a Zoom personal meeting that I can start to demo this today. You, of course, would be already participating in a Zoom meeting that perhaps someone else organized. You can still share your screen if the host allows that, if he allows members who are visiting in that Zoom meeting to share their screen. So I'm going to start this Zoom meeting, and as you can see, I have a Zoom meeting running, which I'm going to increase to full screen. Now, you see down here at the bottom, there is what I call the Zoom taskbar. It starts over on the left with audio. It then goes to video. If I click on stop video, you stop seeing my smiling actual live face, and you see a picture which I have put up to be there when you don't see my video face. And then you see other things such as security and the participants. Right now there's one participant, me, the host, and chat, and this green box, which is what we're going to be talking about today. The green box says share screen. Well, if you click that green box, it brings up all the things that are running on your computer. And you could pick anything that is already running on your computer to share. However, I don't see the thing that's running that I want to share, which is the Seniors Computer Group website. So I have to go back down to my regular Windows taskbar and start my browser. And when my browser comes up, I am going to click a new tab over here on the right. Whoops, hold on. Here's the new tab. And then I'm going to go to Computers, COMP, which is here. And when I click Computers, I get the Seniors Computer Group. And when I click that, I get, among other things, the Seniors Computer Group website, which is right here. When I click that, now I see the familiar Seniors Computer Group website with Will Wakely here lecturing in the front of the Woodbury Hall at the Wesley Palms, which I hope someday we'll get back to do. Now that I have something running that I want to share, I can go back to my Zoom page and wait, this is what was running. I'm going to turn that off, go back and share screen. And now I see that one of the things that is running is the Seniors Computer Group webpage. And if I click that, it gives me a full blue background around it. And if I click share, I could share that screen. However, always before you actually share, you should go down here to the bottom and make sure both of these windows are checked. If you click on this one, it will start them both. If you click on this one, you have to go over and click on the other one too. You do this because if you're running a video that has sound or anything else that has sound built into it, a program or a file that has sound, you have to have this that says share computer sound, so that the sound that's coming out of your computer will actually be shared with the other people on this Zoom meeting. So now we have those two things checked. We have selected the window that we want to share, and if we now click share, you will see that up here at the top there's a red box that says stop share and a green box that says you are sharing Seniors Computer Group website. And now on the website you can click various parts of that website to see other things, and all the other people at this meeting will see exactly what you are seeing. I'm now scrolling down to through the schedule of events for the Seniors Computer Group Zoom meetings. That's how you share a screen in Zoom. And to unshare it, you click Stop Share here, and you go back to your normal Zoom window.